Oh, hi. Welcome to the vlog. It's another week. And it's Wednesday afternoon. We just got back from baby's day out. Maddie has not been on a shopping trip in a pretty long time. I'm going to have to say since the beginning of Big Brother. So what's that, like July? It's been a long time. So she was so thrilled to be able to come shopping today, and they had some cool stuff, and she's already, I had to drop her off at home so she could pick up her stuff and come over this afternoon because we have Big Brother today. So I didn't get a lot of stuff today, but I had a very nice time, somewhat leisurely shopping for stuff that I didn't really need, but I thought was pretty cool. I didn't get a lot. And there's the phone. Who is this? Oh, I gotta take this. All right, that was convenient that it happened now and not when I was in the car later. It was for Sean's home sleep test. So he's gonna be having a home sleep test because we're trying to see if he has what level of sleep apnea he has. I know he has it. I don't know whether he's mild, moderate, or severe. All right, so where was I? We went to Sam's Club, we went to Target, we went to Michael's, which was great, as always, and Aldi. So we started off at Sam's Club, and of course I had to get more of these buckets because they were $1 off for crochet inventory. We use these, if you watch the crochet channel, you've probably seen them on Not the Crochet channel too, you've probably seen them on this channel. They hold a lot. We separate all of the inventory by categories, you know, animals, food, you name it. I think dogs and cats each have their own because there's just so many of those. Keychains, little items, you know, sometimes we separate them by price, but they're very effective for inventory. They keep everything dust-free, odor-free, hair-free. So, got 2 more because they were $7.98. And then we also got Lay's potato chips, Taylor from BB26. No, it wasn't 26. It was way later than that. I mean, way before that. Was it 25? Or was it 24? I think she might have been 24. I can't remember now. Who knows anymore? The seasons just melt into each other. They also had some nice markdowns for clothing. I've had my eye on this Gap striped shirt for the longest time. I think it was $14 in the spring. Now it was $5.71 or something like that. $5.81. Got one of those. They also had the fall sweaters out, so I got this black cat one. Because someone's birthday is coming up. I'm not going to say who. Alright. Then, I think that's everything I got at Sam's Club. I think so. Then we went to Target. Had a nice leisurely walk around. They do have the best price on the Gardein chicken fillets. And by the way, I think I mentioned this to you guys. You get 3 in a bag for these. The last time I made them, I made 2 bags of them, and I put and 7 cutlets came out on the tray, and I'm like, wait a minute, there should only be 6. I scored an extra full cutlet in one of the bags. Ah, thank you, jackpot. Those are so pricey. Like an extra cutlet is like over $2. So that was my little excitement for the day. I love when I get a little freebie like that. Some oat milk creamer. I've never tried this Liquid Death before. And I noticed that they have now Liquid Death Killer Cola. And I was like, oh, is this like Coca-Cola? Is it full sugar? And it's not. It's instead of like corn syrup or cane sugar or whatever they use in Coke now, who knows? Oh, that's cool. That's gonna be me after I drink it. They use agave syrup and they use stevia, and it's only 10 calories. So I'm very excited to try that because I've always loved Diet Coke, but I haven't really drank it in years. The only time I will ever get a Diet Coke is if I get an Impossible Whopper and it like comes with the meal, or if we go out to fancy restaurant and I'm stuck eating a salad or something, so I want to make myself feel better by getting a Diet Coke. I know that's probably the worst thing for you, but I treat myself several times a year to a Diet Coke. But I'm excited to try this because it's got agave and it's got stevia. So I hope it tastes good. I also got Sean D's favorite shampoo. This is what he uses every day. The Kitsch volumizing solid shampoo with rosemary and biotin. It's vegan. I believe it is also, yes, cruelty-free, earth-friendly ingredients, gluten-free, in a box, recycled packaging. So, fantastic. Love it. Kristen turned me on to this. She was using this a while back, and I said, oh, is it good? It is. It's very good. I like it. Bowie biscuits. We got some of those at Target. And I think that's everything that I got at Target. Then we ran over to Michael's. There's a secret bag over here full of goodies. That's for the crochet video. And then, I also got the Friosk coffee sample. So I put that in with my coffee pods. And then just Aldi. I was looking for the clear plastic buckets for storage at Aldi, but the Aldi that we went to today didn't have them. I wonder if they're going to have them on Saturday when we go to the other Aldi that we go to, because I would get one or two more of those because my yarn is overfloweth. I know the real solution is to use down my stash, but I need to protect it for right now. And plus, I'm sure I could use those buckets elsewhere if I'm not using them for yarn. Even though I'm getting rid of a lot of stuff now. I am. This time is for real. Alright. I know I always say that and then I never do it, but... Aldi! You had the hot chili lime, my kryptonite, for 79 cents. To a girl who just can't say no. I only got one bag though. I got my vegan mozzarella for pizza night, my broccoli florets, love them. My two favorite frozen veg at Aldi are broccoli and the cut green beans. Can't live without them. Wouldn't want to. I'm trying this for the first time, chimichurri salsa. This looks super delicious. It's got fire roasted tomatoes, parsley, garlic, oregano, and red jalapeno peppers in here. It says it's mild, but we'll see. My husband's the ultimate baby mouth. I'm sure he'll let me know if it's too hot for him, which I'm sure it will be. Sliced provolone because... Not provolone. Provolone. My God, I sound like Brooklyn. Not the person, like I came from Brooklyn, but I didn't. I came from Queens. Alright, some of my medley tomatoes. We love these. We love colorful fruits and vegetables. That's where you're going to get all your antioxidants from. So the more colorful, the better. And Maddie said, if I buy tofu, would you make it for me? She doesn't have an air fryer, and she just absolutely loves the way the tofu comes out in the air fryer. So that is my service to her, that I, when I do a big batch of tofu, I make some for her too. So that's everything that we got. It is late. I need to go pick up my son. And, yeah. Happy Wednesday afternoon.
Hey guys, we're having class outside today. So, okay. I don't know if my mom told you guys or not, but there has been this black cat that we've seen around, like, the last week or so, I want to say. I don't see it, the cat, but I'm going to see if it ate the food. Okay. So there's been this black cat that's been around, and we're not sure if it belongs to someone or if it's a stray, but it was just really interesting because it showed up, like, not long after Homie passed away. And my sister is hoping to get another kitty, of course, and she specifically is looking for a black cat, and she's hoping for a female this time. I'm not sure if this is a male or female, but when I brought Bowie outside earlier, I saw this cat just like chilling here. I was like, what is that black lump on the grass? And it was the kitty, and luckily Bowie didn't even notice that it was chilling there. So as we got closer, it ran up here and it was like hanging out here, and then it eventually did go under the fence, but it was watching us from right on the other side of the fence. So I came back out without Bowie, and luckily it was still over here. So like, we just put like a little cup of food here. I'm curious to see. I think it ate some of it. I'm trying to see if I can like become friends with it, because like, wouldn't that be crazy if it doesn't have a family already and that was like Kristen's new kitty? Maybe it was like sent by homie. So yeah, this is a very early developing situation. We'll see what happens, but it's a sweet story. I don't know. I'm not sure where it is right now, because sometimes we see it in the front too, like under the porch, but today was the first time that I've seen it like in the backyard. So it looks like it is an adult, or at least not like a kitten, because it looked like a pretty good size. I'll have to insert the photo, because I was able to get a photo earlier. So yeah, I don't know. We'll see. I'm not sure if I'm gonna see if I should leave this out or take it in, but I guess I'll leave it out. Let me see if I can turn it on its side just so it's like easier to get the food. But all right, that is the update. I hope the kitty comes back. It was so sweet. It had such a sweet face. I was like trying to coax it over, but like it's gonna take a little time for the cat to feel comfortable enough to do that, I think, if it does at all. But we'll see what happens. We'll keep you updated.
You're in the dark.
Sorry.
Maybe I could lighten it up a little.
Turn on a light?
No,
maybe?
that's not plugged in because...
Okay.
Never mind. I think it's okay.
Okay. Well, I'm back in the house.
It's Thursday evening. It's pizza night. It's family night.
It's family night.
It's live eviction night for Big Brother. We usually have our little pizza party while we watch Big Brother live.
That's right.
And then we do our recap, and then we send you off to home.
Yes.
All right, well...
No. We do have some mail to open, which is so nice. You guys are too good to us. So we have a beautiful card here. Look at Snoopy.
Oh, I love a cute little card.
This is from Annabelle Anderson.
Thank you, Annabelle.
Annabelle, thank you so much. She gave us a little cash.
Oh,
Annabelle, thank you.
Thank you.
And she said, can I be house guest of the day?
Yes.
You will be house guest of the day in tomorrow's live stream.
Oh.
Thank you so much. And she said, P.S. I'm so sorry for your loss. Thank you.
Oh, thank you. That means a lot.
Yes, absolutely.
Homer was very special to us. I'll never get over any of the pets, but
I know.
Today is Rainbow Bridge Day.
I know.
Rainbow Bridge Remembrance Day.
Yeah.
So Kristen and I, when I got my call this morning.
Which one?
From Kristen, as I do almost every morning. We were talking about all of our pets who have gone before us and how special they all were.
Yes.
And we have some shout-outs.
Well, let's read the card first.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Yes, I didn't know you were going to read it.
Yeah. So it says, Maddie and Janet, hi. Thank you so much for the Big Brother updates. I've been struggling again, and your updates always cheer me up. Annabelle, I hope everything gets better for you soon. I'm so sorry you're having a hard time.
I hope so, too. It's a lot of people are struggling in this climate.
Yeah. It's tough times right now.
It is.
Did I say once again? Your updates always cheer me up once again.
Okay.
I'm so glad that we could, like, in our weird way, be comforting, you know?
I know.
Thank you for all you do, Annabelle Anderson. Annabelle, thank you so much.
As Granny would always say, if you can't laugh, you're a dead duck, and nobody wants to be a dead duck.
I will say, whenever I'm having a hard time in real life, Big Brother is It's a silly show, but it really is such a great escape.
It is a great escape.
It's something else to focus on. It's so far removed from reality. It really is just like a good
escape.
Yeah, you can just really like burrow in there, and
it's like when you go to the movies and you forget your problems for 1.5 to 2 hours.
Yeah.
I feel like Big Brother, it's lasts a little bit longer whenever you have some time
to kill. It's a bit longer than a movie.
And you want to escape, just turn on the live feeds and hope that they're actually showing people.
Hopefully.
Instead of just the music.
Well, I mean, even seeing the adoptable animals is a lot of fun.
Oh, well, that's very uplifting for sure. We were seeing some before that were just so precious.
Yeah, so...
Thank you, Annabelle.
Thank you, Annabelle, and I hope things get better for you.
I hope so,
I hope they get better for all of us.
Yes, absolutely. We had a late birthday shout-out that came in.
All right, who you with?
Which is actually for today.
Oh!
Very special. It's a double shout-out.
Okay.
One is a birthday and one is a retirement.
Whoa, a retirement.
So
I want to retire.
I know, me too. Gene Wagner is turning 65 today.
Happy birthday to Gene Wagner.
And Gene Wagner is retiring tomorrow.
Oh my God, congratulations. That's so exciting.
Happy birthday.
What
and
a great birthday present.
Gene.
Yeah. We hope you enjoy your retirement.
Yes, I'm sure you worked very hard for it, so you should definitely enjoy it.
Absolutely.
Then on Friday, we have an old friend. Not sure how old she is. I don't know if she wants us to know how old she is.
That's perfectly fine.
But if she does, I'd love to add it if you don't mind. It's Linda O.
Linda, happy birthday.
Linda, happy birthday.
Linda has been a friend and supporter of the channel for a long time.
Yes,
we really appreciate you.
Yes, we do. And then nobody on Saturday.
Okay.
It's open. It's wide open. And then another special birthday shout out for Sunday.
Okay.
And that is for our friend Scotty.
Scotty, happy birthday.
Scotty is turning 13.
Oh my God, that's so exciting.
I remember when I turned 13, I was so happy because I was like,
You're
I'm
a teenager
now.
It's a big deal.
It is a big deal.
Yeah.
Because I felt like, oh, I'm practically an adult now.
Yeah. Enjoy your teenhood, Scotty.
Exactly. Don't rush it. And stay a teen as long as possible.
Well, until you're 20 and then...
Well, yeah, but I mean, like, enjoy it as long as possible because, you know.
Absolutely.
Everybody should enjoy not being an adult until you have to be an adult.
Yeah.
And then, that's it.
Okay.
Monday is Labor Day, and I am so looking forward to sleeping in on a Monday.
Well, I'm happy for you. I'm working.
Oh, you sleep in every day, honey.
Yeah, but I stay up late.
So do I.
You sleep on the couch. That doesn't count.
Falling asleep on the couch doesn't count because it's very not satisfying.
But it's still sleeping. It's not good sleeping, but it's
if
sleeping.
You say so, but I have to add my hope you're all living your best day, week, month, year, lifetime of birthday happiness and retirement.
Yes, very exciting.
Oh, I'm so jealous. I want my husband to retire so badly so that I could spend every minute of the rest of his life with him.
Yeah.
And I hope it's many, many, many minutes.
Yes.
And hours and days.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Bubby's going crazy over there.
Why?
He's pulling the fluff out of his toy and now he's swimming.
Oh, he loves to swim in his bed.
Yeah.
He will get in his bed.
Bubby!
And he swims every morning while Daddy's getting ready for work.
Yeah. Good boy.
Lammy always shows up to the big family meeting late.
Yeah.
He's already in there swimming and she comes waltzing in.
All right, well, we're going to wrap this up because I'm going to try and get in a quick swim of my own.
Oh, you're going swimming?
Yeah. It's
Are you crazy?
It's chilly. Why am I doing this? I'm going to do it.
I don't know. I wouldn't do it.
Well, I'm doing it. So, thank you all so much for watching, and thank you again to Annabelle.
Thank you. We're so not worthy.
No, we're not. But we do appreciate you, so thank you again.
Yes.
And hope everybody has a wonderful long weekend, and until next time,
much love. Bye.